In the country's capital, Delhi, a major blast occurs in broad daylight. The car in which the blast happens causes 10 cars in front and behind to also catch fire. Mourning everywhere, an atmosphere of chaos. Screams and a pile of bodies, but when the layers of that blast begin to unfold, the most shocking name that emerges is Shaheen Parveen. Who is this Shaheen Parveen? What was her role in the blast? What was her plan in India? And on whose instructions was she doing all this? Let's find out in today's news. Hello, I am Richa and you are watching One India Hindi. Just yesterday, a very large terror network was busted in the country. The accused were found with 2,900 kilograms of explosives and several weapons. There were several arrests from different locations in Gujarat, Haryana and UP. Among them, Dr. Shaheen from Lalbagh, Lucknow was also arrested. The Jammu and Kashmir police had arrested this female doctor. An F-47 rifle and live cartridges were found in Dr. Shaheen's car. This female doctor's car was being used by Dr. Muzammil, who was also arrested the previous day. According to the report, a white-collar terrorist network linked to Jaish-e-Mohammed and Ansar Ghazwatul Hind was uncovered in Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. In a joint police operation over 15 days, 8 people were arrested, including 3 doctors. In this operation, 2,900 kilograms of explosives were recovered. Among those arrested were Dr. Muzammil Ganai from Kashmir and Dr. Shaheen from Faridabad and Lucknow. The police investigation revealed that the terrorist network is a group of professionals and students who are in contact with foreign controllers. They were funding in the name of social and religious causes. This network was involved in recruiting people, purchasing weapons, and preparing explosives. More arrests were still possible in this case. All teams were engaged in investigation and search. Meanwhile, around 6:32 in the evening, an explosion occurs in an I-20 car with Haryana plates, resulting in the death of 13 people and injuring more than 20 others. Now the first picture of Dr. Shaheen, the head of Jaish's women's wing arrested from Faridabad, emerges. Dr. Shaheen, who was arrested, was given command of the women's wing of the terrorist organization Jaish-e-Mohammed Jamaat-ul-Momineen in India. According to intelligence agencies, Shaheen was tasked with connecting women in India with radical ideologies and recruiting for the organization. This women's wing is part of Jaish's new strategy, where women are being involved in activities like psychological warfare propaganda and funding. The organization is led by Masood Azhar's sister, Sadia Azhar in Pakistan. Sadia's husband, Yusuf Azhar, was a key mastermind in the Kandahar hijack case. Jaish planned to involve women under the guise of religious duty and jihad, training them to be part of the organization's mission. There was a plan to expand the network in India through people like Dr. Shaheen. Al-Falah University is spread over approximately 70 acres. Al-Falah University is located in Faridabad, where Dr. Shaheen and his associate were arrested. Hundreds of students study there. In such a situation, the question arises whether Shaheen has motivated other students or colleagues to work for jihad. Information has been received that a group was created on Telegram where people were being radicalized, and in this group there were many doctors who have been killed or captured. In addition, handlers based in Pakistan were in contact with them through social media apps. Especially, Shaheen was given the responsibility to motivate women in India for jihad and recruit them for terrorism. In the Delhi blast case, 3 suspects are in custody. The 3 suspects detained in the car blast are residents of Pulwama district. Tariq Ahmad Malik is an ATM guard. Amir Rashid and Umar Rashid are both brothers. According to the information, Tariq Ahmad and Amir Rashid have been brought to Srinagar, while Umar Rashid is still at Pampore police station and is being interrogated. That's all in the news. We are keeping an eye on the updates. We will keep bringing you any news that comes.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.